accent.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, I am from India, but I talk with a British accent.
That is so weird. I'm from Australia, but I talk with a British accent.
Yes, I'm on the plane to search for my real parents.
What a coincidence! Me too!
They are from America, but they are British.
Me too!
They live in the state of Colorado.
Me too!
And the names are Darlie and Darland.
Me too!
My name is Darla.
Me too!
Oh my goodness, that is such a coinker-dinker. I don't know how we met each other. Are you adopted?
Yes, and fate has called to us.
Yes, that's such a coinker-dinker how we're on the same plane, isn't it?
That's just so amazing.
I'll show you a picture of my parents. You see that's them.
That's my parents too. Oh my gosh.
That is such a
long lost twin.
oh my! Give me a hug! Give me a hug!
Out of the way. Oh, I'm sorry, sissy.
That's so what do people call you these days?
My name is Bernice.
Bonus. You mean
Bernice. I like to be called the Bernice. Burn the ice, like a burn of the ice.
My name is Darla, but I like to be called Darla. Not Darla, Darla.
Oh, so not Darla. Darla.
Yes, Darla. I like to be called Darla. Not Darla.
Oh, Darla, that's very nice to meet you.
You said my name wrong. It's Darla Patushi.
Oh, that's weird. Bernice Batushka.
No, it's Batuski.
Batushki!
Yes, Darla Batuski.
Well, you know what? I'm a Bernice Batushki.
Yes, but my middle name is Ooh.
Bob.
Well, my name is Darla Batuski.
Mine is Bernice Bob Batushka.
Oh my! We have so much in common. My favorite color is a lime green.
What the hell is that?
Lime green.
Oh, wow, you go fancy on the me now.
Yeah, well,
I am a hippie. I am a hippie.
when I say
You a smacker, me a smacker, you a pack.
stop it, I calm that I am a yoga teacher.
So much. Let us do a yoga master.
I am going to kick up and pull.
Guys, hurry up. There's only 12 minutes remaining on this.
12?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
This is
I have 12 people in my class too. Well, yes. Now,
You know what? That's cool.